Hey guys, welcome to RD Custom Diecast. This is the 100 subscriber giveaway that we are doing today, and what we've went ahead and done, we've entered everybody that has subscribed to our channel. I actually made a list of everybody, pulled everybody's name. There is some names that we did not include in there, and the only reason why is if you make your details private, YouTube will not transfer that where I can get that information. So guys, if you subscribed and you have your stuff private and you did not get on this contest, please make it where it's not private. Go ahead and get on the 250 subscriber giveaway. That way we can get you in on this next giveaway. There's nothing we can do about that because we can't get your information at all, not even your name when we go to the subscriber list. But I did pull everybody that was on there. Also went through every comment on every video. If you commented on those videos, you got a entry for each comment. So I went ahead and did that. I'm not sure if we're going to do that this next giveaway. That's pretty tedious to go back in there, but we'll do something similar. It's hard to go when you start having a bunch of videos to go through all the comments like that. But we did it this time. Everybody got in there for at least the subscribers, and if you commented, you got your extra entries in there as well. So I'm going to show you what the winner's going to get. We're going to break away. We're going to run this drawing on my laptop. I'll just do a video with all the names in there. We'll spin the wheel, whatever it lands on. If you win, you win. Hopefully you'll be happy. The winners, like I said, was going to get a treasure hunt. So we've got a 2020 Tokyo little buggy, the Dune Daddy. And it is a treasure hunt. Has a congratulations little message. And so you'll be getting that. So that's one thing you're going to be getting. The other thing that you'd be getting that I did mention was one of our precision alignment jigs to help you space out your axles properly when you're gluing them up. Comes in handy, especially if you're doing any kind of racing and stuff like that. And so you're going to get that. You're going to get the complete kit. You're going to get the instruction guide with it and the tensioning bands. We got a video on how to use this. It'll be included in the information as well. If you look at our YouTube channel, you get more information on this. Follow our link below. If you want one, you can order one. Get one of our RD Custom Diecast decal stickers. And last but not least, we have been working on this, and the video will be up, hopefully back to back with this giveaway, where you can see how we built this. This is our giveaway custom right here. It is a 2020 Corvette, and what I did, and you can look at the video for further details, we kept the paint the same. However, we did go and we painted some details in the grill area. We changed the wheels and tires on this. It's got rubber wheels and premium tires on, or premium rims on it. And what else we do? We painted the interior. We painted the motor, and it's drilled and tapped. And it's going to come in this protector case. It does come on a 100% custom card. One of a kind. Signed by me. And got my little hologram sticker on it. We'll get closer where you can take a look at this. Whoever wins is going to get this as well. So, hope y'all enjoy it. Drill and tap. This says Jegs on it. I did go and we do have decals on here. May be hard to see. They're intentionally hard to see. You can see it in the light. I wanted it to have kind of a ghost effect. It does have my decal there, and it also has a specialty license plate that has RD Custom on it. Don't know if the camera's going to be able to pick it up, but you'll be able to see it in the build video. if you look through the glass, you can see the engine compartment's painted, the seats are painted, the steering wheel's painted, and we got information on the back as well. So very proud of that build, and hopefully whoever gets it will add it to their collection and treasure it. So that's what we're giving away today. Not to waste any more time, we're going to break away for just a moment. I'll switch over to the laptop. We'll spin that wheel, and I'll be back with you in just a moment. Congratulations to Old Man Diecast. All right, we're back. Congratulations to Old Man Diecast. That's awesome. Thank you for participating. I want to thank everybody for participating in this giveaway. I couldn't have done it without you. We're at 130 subscribers this evening. That's amazing in the short amount of time that we've been on. Y'all have helped go ahead and boost this channel up. I appreciate y'all watching the content and everything. Please like, subscribe, share. Old Man Diecast, if you're watching this, please get a hold of me. I'm going to try to reach out to you and get your address and everything. That way I can ship these to you. Glad it's going to you. Awesome guy. If you haven't seen his videos, you need to go check out his channel. Awesome channel. Matter of fact, I was going to talk to you guys about some builds coming up, and one of them is one that a build that he's doing that I'm joining in on, and it's a Camaro Porsche build, and Old Man Diecast, there it's the Camaro I'm going to be stripping down and go up from there. The 69 Copo Camaro. Another build that's coming up, guys, stay tuned for, that we'll be doing is a Canada Day build. That's coming up soon, and that is going to be my entry on that. We're going to start off with that 55 Chevy panel van. We're going to strip it down, and it's going to look night and day different, hopefully, by the time I get done with it. So those are two builds that's coming up pretty quick. So give you some idea of some of the future content that's coming up really fast on here. These probably be my next two builds. I need to look at the dates and see which one's first. Depending on which one's first, we'll either do the Camaro or the Canada Day, the Chevy panel, whichever one we need to do first to go ahead and meet those deadlines. They're pretty close together. After that, we probably are going to do the 67 Chevy truck I stripped down a while back. Already got some Sam Ed wheels for it that I like for it, so I already got kind of a direction we're going to go on this. I got to finish finalizing what colors I want to go with. Probably go with some candies on it, and we'll be doing that build. So that'll give you an idea for the next few weeks, some of the things that we're going to be working on. Again, we have a 250 subscriber giveaway coming up. Hopefully we'll be there before we know it. If we move as fast as we did on the first 130, we'll be there in no time. Let me think about what I want to give away. I'll probably give away another custom. We might give away we'll probably give away maybe another treasure hunt. And let me see what else. We'll see what else we can come up with for that 250. After that, we're probably going to settle down for a while and wait till our 1,000 subscribers. And once we get to our 1,000 subscribers, I plan on doing a much bigger giveaway for that. And then we'll probably pace it at 5,000, 10,000, stuff like that. So that's some giveaways. That giveaway's coming up, so stay tuned for that. Let me get a game plan for that. Again, please like, subscribe, share. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for helping us meet that goal of 100 subscribers. We blew past that. That was great. Awesome. We couldn't have done it without you and your support. Y'all have a great day. Have a blessed week. And I'll catch you on the next one.